My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying 8th class in Yampi School, Lady Galapalam, Karayana.
Antonyms: before,
After,
below,
above,
correct,
incorrect,
more,
less,
given,
taken,
large,
short,
courage,
cowardice,
survival,
demise,
coming,
going,
all,
none,
wife,
husband,
carefully,
carelessly,
took,
gave,
down,
up,
out,
in,
stop,
begin,
chaos,
order,
confusion,
certainty,
opposite,
same,
never,
ever,
came,
went,
save,
hurt,
himself,
herself,
daughter,
son,
cry,
laugh,
rescue,
abundant,
with,
without,
days,
alertness,
student,
teacher,
celebrate,
obscure,
morning,
evening,
early,
late,
safe,
unsafe,
recede,
forward,
everyone,
none,
understood,
misunderstood,
grandfather,
grandmother,
try,
quit,
help,
hinder,
giant,
tiny,
cleansing,
falling,
away,
near,
floating,
sinking,
she,
he,
little,
big,
want,
dislike,
traumatic.
comfort.
Good.